In this video, I'll show you how to find your USDT address on Binance. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving the video a like and subscribing to the channel. So first thing you need to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $100 in trading fee rebates. After you've logged into your account, you're simply going to go right over here and tap on Add Funds on the top right hand corner. Down here, we're going to select Deposit Crypto. And we're going to select USDT out of this list. If you don't see USDT in that list, you can simply search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on USDT. And now we're going to choose a network. Now this is super important because the network determines how USDT is sent. And if you choose the wrong network on where you're sending your crypto from or when you're receiving it, you might not get your funds and it could be lost. So if someone is sending you USDT, make sure that you pick the same network that they're using when you're transferring from one wallet or exchange to another. So for example, if I want to pick the BNB Smart Chain. Now this is your Binance USDT address on the BNB Smart Chain network. So make sure whoever is sending you crypto is sending it on the BNB network. Once you've selected the right network and you've made sure everything is correct, you can now use this deposit address for USDT on Binance. And that's how to find your USDT address on Binance. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.